All right, in the administrative panel, we are going to go over adding new users. So on the left in the menu bar, you can click on Users, and that will load the user page. You can see any active user you have. You can also filter if you want to find a particular user type. And then lastly, you can add new users over here. So we'll click New User. All you need is their email address. We'll add that in here. Select what department you want to add them to, and then select their role within the platform. So either they're a learner and will only be able to see their dashboard, or they're administrator and they can come in the back end, add courses, add content, add users. So whatever layer of access you want them to have, go ahead and select that, and then you'll hit confirm. Once you hit confirm, that triggers an email out to the email that you put here. You can add multiple emails at one time to make it easier for you. And that the emails will send as soon as you hit confirm, and they'll be invited to create their account and go ahead and get started with the courses that you assign to them. So it's as simple as that. Just click add new user, put emails in, make sure the department level is correct, give them a specific access type with the roles, and hit confirm. Emails trigger, and you'll be done with that. They'll be able to take the next action item on their end by checking their email and creating their account.